how to fix your keyboard is typing by itself in Windows 11. So if when you press a key on your keyboard it's typing by itself, I'll show you two ways on how to fix this issue. So the first step is you need to open up the Start menu on your computer, search for the word Settings, and then go and click on Settings. Now click on Accessibility, and then you'll need to scroll down to Keyboard and click on this. Now make sure sticky keys are turned off, and also filter keys, make sure these are turned off as well. You can then close out of this window, open up your Start menu again, this time search for Device Manager and click here. Now from here, click on the drop down arrow next to Keyboards, and you should see your keyboard from the list. Now go and right click on this and press Update Driver. Press Browse My Computer for drivers, and press Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You can then click on your driver and go and press Next, and then close out of this window. You'll get this message that says you'll need to restart your computer. Just press Yes, and once you've done this, it should fix the issue where your keyboard is automatically typing.